Hello friends, in this episode we are going to start with the practical part of hypnosis, shock induction, which is a version of instant induction as we discussed in the theory section. We will learn how to perform it and how to take someone into trance state instantly with a sudden pattern interruption. First of all, ask the subject to stand in front of you, hold their hand and tell them to completely relax their hand and close their eyes. After that, explain to them that whenever you say inhale, they should take a deep breath in, and whenever you say exhale, they should slowly breathe out. Tell them that the process will be repeated 3 times, then explain that after this, you will give them suggestions and commands and they should keep their attention focused on them. At this point, the person is expecting that they need to inhale and exhale 3 times. Here we create a pattern and deliberately break that pattern. The first time we say inhale, exhale. The second time also we say inhale and exhale. However, the third time when we say inhale and the person takes a deep breath in, instead of saying exhale, we gently pull their hand and at that exact moment give the suggestion sleep. As soon as sleep suggestion is given, the person attention shift to that command and they remain focused on that experience. There is one very important point to remember here. During practice, many people make the mistake of pulling hand and saying sleep at different moments. You must ensure that both actions happened at exactly at the same time. The more synchronized the hand pull and the sleep command are, the smoother and more natural the technique will appear. Here we need to understand that when we say sleep, the person moves into a more comfortable and relaxed state. At that point, you can provide support by holding their shoulder and continue delivering your suggestions. Now let us begin the instant induction and awakening process with the subject. First, we will start with the instant induction. Whenever I say inhale, you will inhale. Whenever I say exhale, you will exhale.
Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, sleep. Relax or deep sleep. Relax or deep sleep. Relax or deep sleep. Relax or deep sleep.
Now the person in a trance state, whether you are performing stage demonstration or working for any other purpose, in this condition you can provide suggestions or commands according to your objective. 10. With every count, your relaxation is becoming deeper and deeper. 9, 8, every sound around you is helping you relax even more. 7, 6, 5. Maintain your balance comfortably. Completely relaxed and relieved. 4, 3, 2. Enjoy relaxation and deep sleep going deeper and deep sleep going deeper. The person has now entered a focused trance state. This was the instant induction technique. You can perform this technique while standing or while sitting. Afterward, the person should be gradually and respectfully brought back from the trance. Now awakening process with the subject. Now whenever I count from 5 to 1, you will come out of this relaxation state. Let's start. 5. Slowly coming back. 4. Feel your surrounding. 3. Feel your head. Feel your head now. Feel your body now. 1. Slowly coming back and feel relaxed. Be sure to practice this technique. If you do not achieve the desired result with one person, then practice with second, third or fourth person. Every individual has a different level of suggestibility, so responses may vary from person to person. A person with a higher level of suggestibility will generally respond more easily and the process will flow more naturally. Thank you. Keep practicing.